Hi, my name is Blanca and this is my project for Little Angels Daycare. At Little Angels Daycare, we are an in-home daycare that creates a safe and loving environment for your children where they will feel right at home even on weekends. Our value propositions are that we provide childcare for children of the ages of 1 through 4. We provide nutritional food for them. We're bilingual, so we speak English and Spanish. We're hands-on and do educational activities appropriate for each age. And we help alleviate the stress of caring for your children when you have to work, even if it is on a weekend. Our ideal customers are working single mothers and single fathers that have to work even on weekends to make ends meet, and also married working couples. This is my competitive matrix comparing my daycare to other in-home daycares around me. Little Angels is competing in a very competitive and demanding market. Since there are quite a few in-home daycares around me, it's going to be challenging to compete against them. My competitive advantage would be price and location. We offer the same service as the others, but we are offering meals and being available on weekends too, which will be an advantage for us. My marketing mix includes social media, traditional, stores, and events. For my marketing message, I'm going to aim to reach busy working parents, whether they are single or married. For images, I will be using kids playing, pictures of parks, and parents interacting with their kids. For social media, we will be using Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Being involved in Facebook mom groups, I think, will also be very helpful. For traditional, we'll be doing flyers, brochures, business cards, and talking to other parents. At stores, we could be using flyers, even at malls, grocery shopping, talking with other parents. Usually, when we go grocery shopping, it's always like a good networking place. For events, we would be going to holiday events such as Easter egg hunts, where lots of parents take their kids. Summer camps and parks, community events, and hosting an event can also be beneficial to get people to come and be interested in the daycare. Little Angels will reach their target market by going to where there are kids. Word of mouth is the most important reference for us. Networking in all of these settings will also be important for us, and being involved in the community can help us reach our goal and reach more potential clients. Thank you.